Yeah.
Are you as excited as we are?
No. I'm just gonna be truthful. No.
You're actually the first riders. I know, they just love us on. We were first riders. We were lined up, waiting.
Station is on that side.
Okay. So all the important people are coming from the other way, right?
Oh, we're the first riders.
First train.
First train. Yay.
Oh,
Oh my god, it's not conventional. Give it a No, we get off at Tokyo Station. Is that what it's called? He's the first guy out of the train to come back. Did anyone actually leave the train?
Oh, you mean get off? No, nobody got off.
We got off.
No. I mean, nobody was there. I mean, just like 5,000.
Oh, I'm thinking like just like you, they were taking photos. But the benches do look nice.
No, benches are hostile architecture.
At least we only needed one train to get to Little Tokyo, so two now. That's kind of like the main thing I see out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see the benches. I'm just like, I have my.
They're clean though.
For now.
For now.
For now.
Give it like a week. That's the only benefit right now. Now this is where like everyone's gonna get off, right? I think this is
No, next is Barker.
See, they didn't fix the speed bumps.
I have no service at all right now. Our first train. Oh, that looks. I just realized I never looked like in the first car.
We'll give you an ETA for the next 20 northbound. The next northbound is turning at 6
Oh, the signs are updated. The signs got updated now.
It's an Expo train with police.
Yeah, they got updated everywhere.
No, but I mean, no, before they were blank.
Stand for 163, you're on first, 163, from Little Tokyo.
Please stand clear. The doors are closing.
Next is Little Tokyo, right? And then after that is Bunker Hill. Bunker Hill is after?
After
No, we
Little
got on the
Tokyo
7
Yeah.
Metro. This
is
the first
Pico
one that
Lisa.
people want.
Oh, okay.
So somebody here went on rush hour.
If you're trying to go like towards the end, then you needed to catch the blue light.
You ride train on a long basis?
On what?
Say you ride train on a long basis?
I used to, but I just moved to where I don't have a bus distance now, so I'm not I live downtown, and I was waiting for this early for a long time.
And then they waited for you to move. And then they moved. Yeah, that sounds about right. Sounds about right, man. Eagle Station was above ground, right?
What's above ground?
Was it above ground? Pico, the station in Little Tokyo.
No.
No,
It's underground.
After Little Tokyo gets up.
I seen like it being built,
Yeah.
but I didn't see whether or not it was above
It used
ground.
to be above ground.
Oh,
But now it's underground.
oh, were they originally gonna do that? Like above ground?
No, when it was at first when the goal line was
Oh, when
just
the goal
running
line was coming.
straight through, it was above ground.
Oh, okay.
But now since we're doing regionals, it's underground.
Because I saw the new one being built like a few weeks ago, but because of like the green thing blocking it, I couldn't see whether or not the train was gonna go through. That's why. Is this the
This is Tokyo.
Oh, right. No wonder why it's fat. Thank you.
Oh, they're just not letting these people go. There's people in suits here. So they just finished the grand opening process. So that might be the first one going back the other way. Oh, maybe we can get that one.